To be is the most important verb in the English language because we use it more than any other verb. گرنگترین کاریان کردار لزمانی انگلیزی to be. Remember, the verb to be is used to talk about existence, boon, identity, nasnama, and characteristics, sifat. It helps us express who or what someone or something is. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the verb to be in the simple past tense. Badas Bebekane, let's get started. As we begin, let's quickly review the present tense forms of to be. We have am for the first person singular, I am. We use is for the third person singular, he is, she is, it is. And we use are for the second person singular and for all plural forms. You are, we are, you all are, and they are. Now let's move on to the simple past tense, to the ڕابردووی سادە. In this tense, we only use two forms, was and were. And we use either was or were according to the subject. For the first person singular, for I, we use was. Was بەکارهێنین بۆ I, بۆ من لە ڕابردووی سادە. I was. And for the second person singular, you, we use were. Were بەکارهێنین بۆ you, بۆ تۆ لە ڕابردووی سادە. You were. For the third person singular, he, she, or it, we use was. Bo o, word بەکارهێنین لە ڕابردووی سادە. And remember, for all of the plural terms, we, you all, they, we use were. Bo ئێمە و ئێوە و ئەوان تەنها were بەکارهێنین. So remember, only two forms, was and were. Let's practice now using some examples. Imagine you are talking about yourself in the past. You would say, I was at Parki Azadi, or I was happy. This is because the pronoun I requires the form was for the simple past tense. Remember, when we talk about someone or something in the third person singular, he, she, or it, we use the form was. For example, he was tired, or she was at the qalat. And when we talk about more than one person, or about you, singular, we use the form were. For example, they were eating sarupe, or we were at the wedding. Now I'll give you some sentences, and you can try to change them into the correct form of the simple past of to be. Are you ready? Amadate? Sentence 1. I am hungry. How would you change this into the simple past? That's right. I was hungry. Sentence 2. She is my best friend. How would you change that into the simple past? That's right. She was my best friend. Sentence 3. We are at the same picnic. Can you change it into the simple past? Good. We were at the same picnic. Sentence 4. You are fantastic at Halparke. Can you change this one into simple past? That's right. You were fantastic at Halparke. Aferin, good job everyone. Keep practicing the simple past tense of the verb to be, and soon it will be very easy and natural for you. If you haven't watched my first video on the verb to be sure to watch it so that you can learn more about this most important verb in the English language. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please Panja Bane Baduk me subscribe. Zor Sapas. Until tomorrow, hata sibeni. Khwafis.